In this video, I'm going to show you how to get the Wet Mutation and wet plants in Grow a Garden in Roblox. So the way you'll be able to see them, as you can see over here, this apple basically is dripping over here, so it's kind of dropping droplets of water from it, and that is basically a wet plant. Now, let me show you over here. I have it in the inventory right now. There we go. This is now the wet apple, and it's basically the same apple. It's just dripping. And in case you were asking yourself how to actually get this, well, it's actually quite simple, but of course you're gonna have to play the game a bit and wait a bit, because the only way to get this is to wait for the rain. Now, after every each and a while, so every so often, basically what will happen is a random occurrence where the weather will change and it will start raining. You'll know that because, well, your picture will change. It's kind of gonna look rainy, and over here at the bottom right there's gonna be kind of an icon which is gonna show rain, and when you hover over it, it's gonna tell you it's currently raining. And during the raining period, which I'm not sure how long it lasts, I think it's like 10 to 15 minutes, you'll be able to get 50% plus growth speed. So the growth speed of your plants will be 50% more, so the plants will grow basically 50% faster, as well as the chances of wet crops will increase. So basically, you'll be getting a lot of different wet crops all over your garden. So that's actually the only way. So you just have to wait for the rain event, and when it starts raining, you'll be able to get yourself the wet plants. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.